looking at the solar panel LED lamp, which is great for power outages, emergencies, camping, being at the lake. It also has a feature here with a USB connector and also a charger, so you can recharge it here, or you can recharge it using the solar panel that's on the top. So here are the handles, so you can carry it like this. There's a button on the side for the front lamp, as you can see. And then also there's the added feature of pulling it up, and it provides a lamp for light beside the tent, beside your fishing pole, at the picnic table. So it's very convenient. So I really like this. It has multiple functions. And it can turn on the flashlight and keep the lamp on at the same time, so if you need it. Also want to point out that not only does it have a handle on the top, if you find this video resonates with you, please like, comment, subscribe, or follow. It also has a handle on the side, so you can carry it this way as well. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.